Hello, young explorers. Welcome to our underwater adventure, where we will meet some of the most fascinating sea animals and learn new words along the way. Get ready to dive deep and discover the wonders of the ocean. Let's jump in and start our splash-tastic journey. First up, we have dolphins. Dolphins are friendly and super smart. They live in groups called pods and love to jump and play in the water. Did you know that dolphins communicate with each other using clicks, whistles, and body movements? They can swim really fast, up to 25 miles per hour. Dolphins use their strong tails, called flukes, to propel themselves through the water. Keep an eye out for their playful acrobatics next time you're near the ocean. Next, let's meet the gentle sea turtles. These ancient creatures have been around since the time of dinosaurs. Sea turtles have strong, paddle-like flippers that help them glide gracefully through the water. They have a hard shell called a carapace that protects them from predators. Every year, female sea turtles return to the beach where they were born to lay their eggs. After hatching, the tiny baby turtles, called hatchlings, make their way to the sea. It's a tough journey, but many of them grow up to be big and strong. Now, let's explore the mysterious world of octopuses. Octopuses are incredibly intelligent and can solve puzzles. They have 8 long arms, each lined with suction cups that help them grip and explore their surroundings. An octopus can change color and texture to blend into its environment, a skill called camouflage. This helps them hide from predators and sneak up on their prey. They also have 3 hearts and blue blood. How cool is that? Let's swim over to meet the bright and colorful clownfish. These small fish are famous for their orange and white stripes. Clownfish live in a special relationship with sea anemones. The anemone's tentacles can sting other fish, but not the clownfish. They have a special mucus on their skin that protects them. In return, clownfish help keep the anemone clean by eating dead tentacles and bringing it food. They make a great team. Time to meet the mighty sharks. Sharks are powerful predators and have been around for millions of years. They have a special sixth sense called electroreception, which allows them to detect the electric fields produced by other animals. Sharks have rows of sharp teeth that are continuously replaced throughout their lives. There are many different types of sharks, from the gentle giant whale shark, which eats plankton, to the fearsome great white shark. Despite their scary reputation, most sharks are not dangerous to humans. Our next ocean friend is the jellyfish. Jellyfish are fascinating creatures that have been drifting through the oceans for over 500 million years. They have a soft, bell-shaped body and long, trailing tentacles. These tentacles have tiny stingers called nematocysts that they use to catch their food. Jellyfish come in all sorts of shapes, sizes, and colors. Some even glow in the dark, a phenomenon known as bioluminescence. Just be careful not to touch them. Their stings can hurt. Now, let's meet the enchanting seahorses. Seahorses are small, with long snouts and curly tails that can grip onto seaweed. Unlike most fish, seahorses swim upright. The males carry the babies in a pouch until they are ready to be born. Seahorses blend in with their surroundings using camouflage to hide from predators. They might be tiny, but they are full of surprises. Next, we have the starfish, also known as sea stars. Starfish come in many colors and have 5 or more arms. If they lose an arm, they can grow it back. Starfish move using tiny tube feet located on the underside of their arms. They eat by turning their stomachs inside out and digesting food outside their bodies. These amazing animals are truly the stars of the sea. Let's scuttle over to meet crabs. Crabs have a hard exoskeleton and two large claws they use for defense and catching food. They walk sideways and can live in both the ocean and on land. Hermit crabs even find empty shells to live in for protection. With their quick movements and strong claws, crabs are fascinating creatures to watch. Time to meet the gentle giants of the ocean, the whales. Whales are the largest animals on Earth. They breathe air through blowholes located on top of their heads. Some whales, like the blue whale, eat tiny plankton, while others, like the killer whale, are powerful hunters. Whales communicate through complex songs and sounds that can travel long distances underwater. These majestic creatures remind us how vast and wonderful the ocean truly is. Next, let's visit the playful sea otters. Sea otters have thick fur to keep them warm in cold water. They use rocks to break open shellfish and often float on their backs while eating. Sea otters hold hands while sleeping to stay together in the water. These adorable animals are known for their playful behavior and important role in keeping the ocean ecosystem balanced. Meet the graceful stingrays. Stingrays have flat bodies with long, whip-like tails. They glide through the water by flapping their large pectoral fins like wings. Some stingrays have venomous barbs on their tails for protection. They often bury themselves in the sand to hide from predators and ambush prey. With their unique shape and gentle movements, stingrays are truly fascinating to watch. Say hello to the energetic sea lions. Sea lions are mammals known for their playful nature and loud barking sounds. They have strong flippers that make them excellent swimmers and help them move quickly on land. Sea lions often gather in large groups called colonies. They are social animals and love to play games, making them the acrobats of the sea. Let's take a closer look at coral. Coral might look like plants or rocks, but they are actually made up of tiny animals called polyps. Coral reefs are home to many sea creatures and are some of the most diverse ecosystems on Earth. The polyps build hard skeletons around themselves, which form the colorful reefs we see. Protecting coral reefs is essential for keeping our oceans healthy. Meet the majestic manta rays. Manta rays are large, graceful creatures with wide, flat bodies and triangular pectoral fins that resemble wings. They glide through the water effortlessly, often performing elegant somersaults. Manta rays filter feed on plankton and small fish by swimming with their mouths open. These gentle giants are a beautiful sight in the ocean. Finally, let's waddle over to meet the penguins. While most penguins live in cold regions like Antarctica, some species can be found in warmer climates. Penguins are excellent swimmers and use their flippers to propel themselves through the water at high speeds. On land, they walk with a distinctive waddle. Penguins are known for their strong family bonds and often take turns caring for their eggs and chicks. Wow, what an incredible journey we've had today. We've met playful dolphins, ancient sea turtles, clever octopuses, bright clownfish, powerful sharks, mesmerizing jellyfish, enchanting seahorses, resilient starfish, crafty crabs, gentle whales, adorable sea otters, graceful stingrays, energetic sea lions, vibrant coral, majestic manta rays, and endearing penguins. The ocean is full of amazing creatures, each with their own unique features and abilities. Next time you visit the beach or an aquarium, remember all the wonderful sea animals you've learned about. Keep exploring, keep discovering, and never stop being curious about the world around you. Until next time, happy adventuring! Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more exciting episodes about animals. Until we meet again next time, take care and bye!